Hello everyone, so we have the chemistry examinations on 13th and I hope most of you have completed your chemistry syllabus, and those who have not completed, for them please do not read the chapters from the book now, because if you have not completed the chapters even once earlier, then you might not be able to understand the chapters reading from the book. Instead of that, you can go through the YouTube videos and understand from there, and from there you will understand better all the concepts, and then you make the notes, write down, and if you can, but we have very less time now, so you can go through the my handwritten note that is in the description, and in that I think I have covered the every topics of the book, important questions of the previous year's question paper. And after completing these, then you can secondly again by yourself you can go through the 10 years previous year's question paper. From there you will understand and analyze that the questions are not that tough, or you will able to understand the level of the questions. And friends, we have also seen that till now we have given the maximum 5 papers, that the questions were just basics. If you have completed your syllabus also, then you will be crossing almost 35 above, because the questions were just basic. The things was you have completed or your syllabus or not. And thirdly, please do not discuss with your friends before going to the examinations, or please do not discuss, and then just complete your syllabus, revise it, and do the previous year's question paper. Questions will be coming very easy only. Just things is you have completed your syllabus or not. All the best. Thank you.